Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Matt with $1 Guide. We're quickly making a video for anyone that works any kind of gig app like Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Instacart, etc. We're gonna show you guys quickly how you can make an extra $100 to $200 per week. And the best part is, if you guys decide to get started with this, you will make $15 just for getting started. The way this all works is you're gonna be sharing an app with other drivers called Solo. What Solo basically is, it's basically an earnings tracker, expense tracker, mileage tracker app, right? And this app here is actually paying people $15 for trying it out. So basically the way the app works is that in the major markets where it's at, it compiles data and lets you know the apps that are paying out the best and what days to work. Currently this app is fully launched in only Seattle, Orlando, Tampa, Nashville, and Miami, okay? The app is rapidly expanding, so they're willing to pay for signups, okay? In order to get paid, all you gotta do is join up to the app. You have to connect a work account, okay? And then basically you get paid on Tuesday. If you sign up between Monday and Sunday, you get paid out on Tuesday. But once you're inside the app, because it's growing, and in order for it to launch in other metros, they need more data from different drivers in those areas. You can invite others to the app and you will get $15 whenever you get a referral. And the referred person that you referred into the app, they'll get $15 as well. Okay, in order for them to be a referral, they must be active working in gig apps. And this is what you guys are gonna do. If you guys wanna make extra money while you're out there, while you're driving, you're always gonna be running into other drivers like I do. One thing you can do while you're running into other drivers is you can share this app with them. So what I've done last week is I made a little graphic, and I'll show you real quick. This is the same thing you guys are gonna wanna do once you guys decide to do this. And I created a QR code. Let me back out of this real quick to show you. And whenever I run into drivers, I say, hey, you guys wanna make 15 bucks for trying out an app for tracking your expenses and miles, and it's free. And most people say yes. So what I do is I made this little graphic, okay, I made a QR code, and then all they gotta do is just scan my QR code, and it takes them to my referral link, and they download the app, okay? I did this last week, and I got 15 people to try out the app, and I got paid from Solo to PayPal, $225, okay? So if you guys wanna try this out, you just have to be active in any kind of gig app. You guys can get a link in the description below. That link's gonna actually pay you $15 for trying it out. And what I recommend you guys do is just kind of create a little graphic like this. You guys can create a QR code by searching on Google, how do you create a QR code, and put in your referral link. And I just took the Solo homepage and I put my QR code on the page, okay? And when you're out and about doing your deliveries and you run into other drivers, just say, hey, you wanna get 15 bucks for trying out the app? This does not work for anyone that's antisocial, but it's fairly simple, and this app is rapidly expanding, okay? In order for them to open in other cities, they gotta have a lot more referrals, a lot more people to use the app to get the data for them to fully launch. Because the way the app really works is they guarantee these hourly rates if they're in a city that's fully launched, like Seattle. Let's check it out. Okay, and now the way it works in launched cities, if you guys remember the Solo app, which is free, and they calculate all the data and figure out an hourly rate. And if you guys go out in these days and you do not make the hourly rate, Solo actually pays you the difference. Okay, so they're betting on their algorithm and data to show you what's basically earning the most in that area. And this is the good thing to do, guys, because especially like if you guys are doing Uber Eats here, you can see in Seattle, you shouldn't be doing Uber Eats, okay? You should be doing DoorDash. I think that's Amazon Flex, or driving Uber. Those are the top apps there, and Instacart's up there as well. This is the handy app, and you can see what days are the best days to work these apps based on the data that they collected, okay? If you wanna get started, go ahead and check the link in the description. 100% free, and you get free 15 bucks, and I recommend sharing with every driver you know. Take care, bye for now.